There isn't a footpath here, so I can't actually get onto the land, but it's a very good vantage point for you to be able to see the extent of what's happening to hedgerows inside the field boundaries, and the extent of removal of habitat that's incurred by this practice. You can see the internal line. There's a hedge. On the other side of that is the road. There's a copse down there. But all the hedge lines, as you can see, have been treated in exactly the same way. Given that this is early January, so we're right in the middle of winter really, there's a lot of water on the ground because we've had some pretty heavy rainfall. But at this time of year, you would expect some dormancy to be occurring in the foliage. But you would also, if it were a healthy landscape, expect there to be still a reasonable uptake of water. And what's happening to hedgerows is compromising the landscape's ability to do that. So amongst all the other negatives, disadvantages of this practice, we now have flooding to consider in the mix.